Good afternoon, guys. Ben here with Reclaimed Living. I'd like to show you what I've been working on, and basically I've finished the cabinets. These are the cabinet doors that came from an old China hutch, which is all solid oak, actually 7/8 inch thick, very heavy, and I used them in my kitchen. So basically they're finished. I added a nice little handle that is somewhat arts and crafts, maybe Gothic. And they open and close very well. Now on my boxed in range, which is cedar for the most part, I gave it a little stain so that it could look more of a grayish. That'll go along with the whole decor here. So let me show you a little bit of where I'm at, because I've been working on the other side. Alright, so this is the cabinet that I put up, also from the China hutch. And as you can see on the side, they're glass. That was also from the China hut. That's with the side of the China huts. And what I did over the refrigerator, I'll come here a little bit. What you're looking at is the upside down doors that were part of the kitchen. That's the frame. So I turned that upside down, I put a little cubby holes in there, and there you have it. So it's basically done. I added another recessed lighting up above it to go along with the other one, so it kind of looks centered. And that's as far as I've gone. I've also taken the old counters and I just put them in there. This is one. And this is the other. I cut them to size. They will be changed. I would probably use an epoxy over them. And let me show you what I'm going to be using. I have tumbled marble, quite a bit of it. And these four pieces, the gray and the white, are tumbled marble. Most of it is going to be white with gray accents. And then I have these pieces. These are subway tile marble pieces that I may incorporate into it and possibly use them up here as my backsplash over the oven range. So that's where I'm at. So I'll be working on finishing this up and working on the counters before I start doing anything below that. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like what I'm showing you, you can subscribe and keep abreast of what I've been doing. Back to work. Have a great day, guys.